You were there to hold my hand, but I've had it with the 405 since you said I'd missed my last chance. But
so nag-text na yung Cebu Pacific.
I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change your mind, but maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like.
Hi guys! Good morning! It's already 6:37 and delayed yung flight namin going here in Bacolod. Medyo maulan siya kasi umaambon pagdating. Pamilik. Saan ba yung shuttle? Mga shuttle? Okay, thank you. Dito na tayo ngayon sa Ceres Liner. Yes! Pabili na tayo ngayon ng ticket. Papunta naman ng Cadiz. First stop natin dito sa Bacolod ay Salacabon Island. Hopefully doon hindi umuulan.
Tawagin ko na lang mamaya yung queuing number niyo, ma'am. Once na mapuno yung bangka.
Now here sa mainland terminal. Natilang namin yung bangka na sasakyan. Nag-aantay pa din kasi ng pasahero. So, yan, nandito lang ako for the wait ang person. Finally here at Lacawan Island! Look! It's so pretty! Nakita ko na it's a white sand. I'm excited! Ang ganda niya! By the way, magstay lang ako dito for a day. Mamayang hapon, babalik na ako ng Bacolod City. So, it's around 10. So, mahaba-haba pa naman yung oras natin. Pero meron akong isang dilema kasi hindi pala ako nakapag-withdraw. Ang pera ko na lang ngayon is 500 pesos. So, hopefully, nagtatanggap sila dito ng cashless. Yung GCash, gano'n. Very excited to explore this resort kasi mag-isa lang ako. So, excited ako to do this alone. Na ako ng aking outfit pang island girl ang atake natin ngayon. Mag-11 na, mag-lunch muna ako and hopefully tumatanggap sila ng GCash kasi kung hindi, hindi ko na alam. Yung souvenir shop nila. Cute! So, here's what I ordered. Mango fruit shake, tapos yung kanilang lakawan burger. Ayan, may lakawan na nakalagay dyan. And then, with fries. So, this is my lunch. Let's eat. Kasi gutom na ako. Cute ng lagayan. Bangka. Fruit shake. Let's try. Hindi ako kumakain ng onion. So, sorry, kailangan ko siyang tanggalin.
That I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. Try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.
Nakakaloka, kakapicture ko na wala yung isang pair ng tsinelas ko. Inalon siya eh. Isa na lang yung nakita ko doon.
For falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to.
Hi guys! So, it's 3 PM na. Actually, 3:12 to be exact. And it's time for us to go. Kasi day tour lang po tayo dito. Sayang lang hindi ko napuntahan yung floating bar. Kasi parang wala namang pumupunta dun ngayon. Or siguro mamayang gabi. Pero kasi dahil nga day tour lang tayo. So, hindi na tayo makapunta. Overall, na-enjoy ko ang aking stay here.
Let's go!
So, ayun. Nag-antay pa kami ng 5. Kasi dapat 15 bago makalarga yung bangka. Every single way. It's time to go na. Thank you so much, Lakawan Island.
Said you're nothing but a one-night stand. Trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a 4-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause
Ito na ako sa aming accommodation, which is yung check-in Bacolod. Ayan siya. Nasa isang malaking hallway siya. Ayun oh. Charan! Reservation po kami. So, naka-check-in na tayo. Finally! Bababa na natin yung mga gamit natin. And then, plan ko lumabas para kumain. 203. 203. Ayaw niya ma-open. Ayaw niya ma-open. Ganun kasi baliktad. Natin. Charan! So, pagpasok natin, ayan, ito na yung kama. So, 3 kasi tig-isa kami. So, yan. Alam niyo naman ang kasama. Pero, i-reveal natin kung sino yung kasama natin sa susunod na araw. Ng kasama, guest kit. Ayan, check-in. Tapos may kasama na rin towel. TV, and then may salamin. Tapos, ayan, may lagayan dito ng clothes. Push the button to activate the aircon. This one is the CR. Naku, parang so, lumipat tayo ng room kasi yung aircon dun sa kabila sobrang ingay. Let's go! Tayo ay mag-dinner muna sa labas. Medyo maaga pa naman. 7 pa lang. By the way, ito palang pinag-check-in na namin is malapit siya sa mga kainan and sa SM. So, malapit siya doon. Kaya, try natin na explore yung place dito para nakita din natin kung anong mga meron dito sa lugar na to. So, dahil hindi pa tayo nagde-dinner, mag-dinner tayo ngayon. Check natin kung may mga bukas pa or baka pumunta ako ng SM kasi nga malapit yung SM dito sa pinag-check-in na namin. So, let's check! Oh my God, it's raining! Umuulan! Look! Umuulan! Pala dito ihaw-ihawan. Okay, so tumuloy pa din tayo dito sa SM. Dito na lang tayo kakain. Maghanap tayo ng ating kakainan. So medyo malaki din yung SM nila. So may North Wing and South Wing. So meal na lang.
Ilan po, ma'am?
Isa lang. Let's eat. Alam nyo, parang yung nafe-feel ko sa mall na to is yung SMBF. Parang ganun yung atake niya sa akin. Enchanting Elf Village. And look. May tao pala sa loob. Ay, akala ko nga may tao sa loob. Pwede ka parang pumasok sa loob. Ano ba?